The Traxxas Slash is a trustworthy and reliable RC car that should be a part of every collection. It's an affordable way of beginning in the hobby, especially if you get an entry-level two-wheel drive like this one here. In order to preserve the electronics, I recommend the installation of a Dusty Motors cover. You can find the link in the description and make sure to use the coupon code to get 5% off. Here's how to fit it. Welcome to the RC Workbench. So, what's in the can? You get a length of springy shock sock, more than you need for this car. More about that later. Then comes the cover itself, along with enough Velcro to fit onto your chassis. This makes the cover easily removable for maintenance on your chassis and to clean the cover itself when required. The mesh is super fine, excluding the ingress into your precious electronics of fine dirt and even water to some extent. You also get some stickers to spruce up your rig and show that you care about it. It makes sense to fit this as soon as you take your new RC car out the box. The Dusty Motor cover will ensure that your electronics are protected from the elements, all the while providing sufficient airflow to keep things cool, ensuring a long service life. It is recommended, however, to keep an eye on temps every now and again. First things first, body off. Make sure your rig is nice and clean before you begin, and degrease the edges of the chassis, otherwise the Velcro won't stick. Then cut the 3 lengths of Velcro that you need for each side. I stuck 2 lengths of it together before tracing the edge of the chassis with a pencil and cutting it to size. This gave me both right and left sides in one cut. Do this for the front, middle and rear sections. Once you have these, simply stick the Velcro onto the chassis, make sure that you don't touch the sticky part. I removed the creases on the edges by cutting slots, then folded and stuck to the chassis. Once you're happy with that, here comes the fun part, presenting the cover to the chassis and fitting it to it. It is a bit of a fiddle, but the fit is spot on. There might be apparent slots where dust can get in, but it is minimal compared to running this thing without it. Check that front and rear ends seat nicely thanks to that elastic and you're done. Protected and ready for a rip. Battery in, body on, and off you go with the great peace of mind that your rig is well protected for the future. It is worth placing this Dusty Motor cover on every rig that you have because it will cost less than a new ESC and servos in the long run. It also simplifies cleaning and maintenance work as it keeps the innards clean from dust and debris of whatever terrain you run this thing on. I will fit the shock socks later once I'm happy with my shock tuning. They come on and off regularly for now as I'm testing different springs and oil thicknesses, so I'll run it without them at the moment. I will make another video down the line to prove the effectiveness of this Dusty Motor cover. Until then, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out everybody. Goodbye.